Hi, I am Nia Sharma and you're watching Tele TV. मुझको पहचान लो. Nia. 17 September 1990. My zodiac is Virgo, and Virgos are believed to be very emotional, highly ambitious, and Virgos are great friends. They're loyal, and I'm everything. KV Gold Market, Delhi. High school again, Delhi. I would say Kushal. I love Rajma Chawal and I love Hakka noodles, and that's it, hands down. Desserts, I like naturals, Sitafal. This is my latest love and I only adore that. Revenge is sweet, and I always end up saying, really now? These are the slangs that I use often and very often. Do you think when you shoot 12 hours a day from morning time to evening time, where you don't have time to even go to the loo and sit and relax for like 15 minutes, you think you have a love life in real? But honestly, there is no love life, and there is all the love, yeah. When you're on set, you're with people, and your love interest on the show. You have the best of times with them. You have the best of fun with them, and apart from that, you don't have a life beside that, and there is no time to even think about it. I love wearing short frocks, short dresses, short skirts, and I'm very comfortable wearing all of those short things, and I feel comfortable and I feel confident, and I carry them very well. I don't admire anybody as such right now, but long time Bollywood. If you talk about Bollywood, I like Fardeen Khan because of his looks, and he's got smashing looks. I mean, he's the it factor. Again, I don't admire anybody as such, but yes, I am totally a big fan of Urmila Matondkar, and she embraces individuality, the kind of acting, that she's done, and the roles that she's done, the obsessive roles, the possessiveness, and I really admire her dance and to the core, and I really look up to the kind of roles that she has done. Had I not been an actress, I would have been a reporter. Bifurcate as such. I mean, a kind of role. It's very difficult to specify a kind of role that you would want to do. But if I'm given a chance, of course, a very daring kind of a role. I would not want to play a bichari or something. Very subtle kind of a girl. A rock star kind of a role I want to play. I love. That song, Nemo Nightwish, it's a rock band, the symphony metal, that is Nemo. I won't saying nobody must have heard it also, but I'm kind of into rock. But otherwise, if you ask me, I like all Black Eyed Peas kind of song, the peppy numbers and the dancing numbers, and I just dance to the tunes of them. Okay, I often get the compliments of being thin and having a good figure, so it makes me feel really good. I feel in the 7th heaven, and it seriously makes me feel really good when somebody talks about my body. Sending lots of gifts, and of course, not to mention the Virman Cafe, where the girls go crazy and do stuff for me, and of course, there's sending gifts like nomads, like crazy. These are the crazy fans that I've got, and I really want to beat you up now. To all my girlies and fans, other than Virman Cafe, if there are, and lots of love to you guys, and thanks a lot for criticizing, for loving, for doing every little thing for me, and the gestures and the messages of love and the gifts, and it talks a lot. It talks volume of how much am I loved.